Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode right this cool amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what this is a knife set, but it's not just knife, but there's other stuff as well. If you guys are curious about what is in here, you guys can refer to this image right here. But to give you guys a better view of each one of the product that's in here, let's open up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, it should look something like that. So first thing you can see right here is the box, and everything inside right here is all the little knives, scissors, and everything else. It mentioned clean hand wash and don't use dishwasher to wash it. And another thing that I just want to remember is that when you guys use the hand to wash it, you guys will make sure you use like a towel or something to wipe it off, so that way it doesn't rust over time. But you can see inside right there, there's the actual holder itself for the overall product itself. Let's take it out. Alright, so here's the block that you can use to hold all the knife and everything else. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. And the one that I got right here is from this brand in particular. If you guys look on the top right here, you guys see each one does slot to put each one of the knife and the scissors and etc. And you guys view the actual product itself right here. It definitely is a high quality product, a high quality wood that they use on here. And then see on the bottom part right here, they do have the anti-skid material to prevent it from like moving around. So that's what this part looks like right here. Let me actually put it down and open up the box first and show you guys what each one looks like. So when you guys open up this box right here, you guys want to be really careful because it has a lot of sharp object in here. So that's basically what it looks like inside. Let me take it all out. So first thing you see right here, this is the scissor or the shears right here that you can use to cut stuff. You can definitely see that it's really sharp. So you definitely want to be careful when you use this. It definitely has a very nice support right here and here. So you can get a very good cushion when you use it. So that's the first one right here. I'm going to stick it into a block and then show you guys what it looks like in a second. And right here to provide you guys a little warranty card. The next thing that we have right here is one of the knives that you want to be really careful when you actually use it. Pull this out. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what one of the knife looks like. It is pretty sharp in the bottom part right here, so you do want to be careful. And the way how I know it's a paring knife is because right here they mention it's a paring knife right there. And all the knife is a full tang design, so it's pretty high quality. And all the knife are hand polished as well. You guys can definitely feel the high quality on the actual handlebar right here, and also for this part as well. So let me actually take off this part right here and put it into the wood. Here's the next one. Take this out. Be really careful when you use it. And for this one, they mentioned it's a utility knife. Definitely is really sharp and pretty high quality. This one is also full tang like I mentioned as well, and it has a very nice little handlebar right here. Next thing that we have right here is a knife sharpening option right here. So you definitely use this product itself to sharpen your knife. And then here's the next one. So for this one right here, it is a slicing knife. So this is basically what the slicing knife looks like right here. You definitely want to be really careful when you guys use these products itself. Alright, here's the next one. You can see that this is what it looks like for this one right here, and this is the bread knife. If you can see from the bottom part, that is how you guys kind of know. Take off the little cover. And then last but not least, we have this one right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so the last and final one that we have right here is the chef knife, and then put it into the block. Alright, so once you guys take everything out and put it into the block, it should look something like this. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to take care of the product, what they recommend is to hand wash it. And when you guys finish hand washing it, you do want to get a cloth to wipe it down, make sure it's clean before you guys put it back in here. So that is basically everything that's included in the packaging itself. If you guys can see, everything about the product itself is pretty high quality. You can definitely feel the wood is high quality here. The actual blade itself or the knife itself is pretty high quality. And if you guys ever forget about what each one of these knives are for, you guys can refer to this image right here. And obviously for these knives, these are professional knives, so it definitely is high quality. Let me actually show you guys how sharp it is. So let's say if I use this one right here and use it for right here, the sharpening knife, you guys can hear how sharp it is. So obviously when you guys use this knife, you want to make sure you guys use it correctly for like different situations, like I mentioned in the image I showed you guys earlier. So like obviously the bread knife, you guys want to use it for like bread or muffin or any kind of like bread stuff. And then like the chef knife, you guys want to use that for like slicing stuff, chopping stuff or whatever. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we can unboxing and a little bit of feedback about the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for like a professional knife set that has basically all the stuff you guys need, such as all the knife that I just showed you guys right here, and also the sharpener and the scissor itself. If you literally just need everything that's on here without the stick knife and everything else, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.